I heard View 3 AVE on 40 meter with good quality audio when he was using a homebrew LMR SDR 1.1 with a homebrew 30 watt linear amplifier. That made me think of trying to homebrew one and ordered a PCB with SI5351 pre-soldered and 3 other ICs which are difficult to procure locally. Meanwhile, I thought of learning a bit about the LMR SDR 1.1 from the website of YE3CIF. Bottleneck there is the language which is not known to me. So I am using Google Translate to get an idea about it and giving it here for the benefit of others who might be interested in homebrewing LMR SDR. An English language site with good information is there by F5NPV, currently operating as V85NPV. LMR SDR can give a power output of about 10 to 50 milliwatt and needs an external RF power amplifier. It also needs a desktop computer with good stereo sound card for processing. The clock generator is SI5351 and microcontroller is Arduino Nano in LMR SDR 1.1. A different microcontroller is used in the latest 1.7 version. I thought of trying out the 1.1 version which has been built successfully by several hams in my region. Power SDR to be installed in a desktop running Windows is available for download from the webpage of YE3CIF. LMR SDR 1.1 needs a 16:2 LCD display for showing the correctness of installation. If the installation is correct, the LCD will display the working frequency as on Power SDR software in your desktop. Schematic is available online for easy reference during the build. Expecting a lot of support from all who have built it earlier,